Okay guys, so in today's video, I will show you how you can change your elemental fairy power in Roblox Royale High 3. For those who don't know, you will of course get an extra elemental power every 50 levels, but that doesn't change your main elemental power, it just gives you a new one. To actually change your fairy's elemental power, you have to go to the Enchantroverse and just go through one of the elemental gates. For example, if your fairy is of course a water type, so to say, and you want to make it a fire type, then you have to come to the fire gate and of course go through the tunnel you see here. Right now there's of course a little platforming here and everything, but after you're able to do this, you will go through the portal here, and after going through the portal you would have to do an Avi and a quiz. If you have done everything you need to do, you will be able to change your elemental power super easily and super conveniently. If you have any other questions, of course, you can ask them in the comments. And if you would like other videos, we would show you Avi and quiz answers as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day and goodbye.